In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to move a model in Roblox. So let's start by adding a part to our game. And you can change the color of your part, change the name of the part to red. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on collisions and I'm gonna duplicate this part a couple of times. Control D to duplicate. So I did it twice. So this one here, I'm gonna give it a different color, yellow. Change the name to yellow. And the last one, how about we make it blue and change the name to blue. Now we're gonna select all three parts here. We're gonna right click and group them as a model. So now we have a model. We can call them blocks. Next thing I want to do is I want to set a primary part for my model here. So with the model selected, I'm going to go to the properties window, look for a property called primary part. I'm going to click on it. And now I can go and select which part to be my primary part. So I'm just going to select the red block here since it's at the bottom. Also very important to make sure all your parts are anchored. And now we're going to go to our model. We're going to add a script. And our script is going to move the model. In your script, just enter the following lines. On the first line here, we're declaring our model. Our model is the blocks. On the second line, we're declaring the primary part of the model, which was set earlier. We chose the red block to be our primary part. So as we enter the game, we're going to wait for 10 seconds. And then we call this function. The function is the move model function. And here's our function. Basically, we're passing in the location where we want our model to be moved to. So that is the new position. And inside the function, we use the set primary part C-frame function to move the model to a new location. This here is our new location, which was passed in when we call the function. Let's now play test and take a look. So there is our model, and remember, give it 10 seconds and it's gonna move to a different location. There it has moved to a different location. It hit me in the head. Here's another example of how to move a model. In this case, we use a for loop which goes from 0 to 20. It's incremented each time by 0.1, and each time it goes through the loop, we're calling the same function, the move model function. We're passing in the new location. So we're using I here for the Y component. Basically, each time our model is going to move up by 0.1, and it's going to keep on doing that till it reaches 20. Let's play test and take a look. Again, we're going to wait for 10 seconds before it starts to move. And I'm gonna try and hop on it. And it takes me with it. So it's gonna go, when it reaches 20, a height of 20, it's gonna stop. And for those of you who like math, I got one more example for you. Let's play test and take a look. Again, we're gonna wait for 10 seconds. And it started to move. In this case, it moves up and down. Guys, that is how you move a model in Roblox.